Degrees of comparison of adjectives. When we describe something, we often do it by comparing things. In order to compare some characteristics, we use different degrees of comparison of adjectives. For example, Paul is tall, Martin is taller, Matthew is the tallest. Taller is an example of the comparative degree.
Tallest of the superlative degree.
We do the same in Norwegian. Let's see how it works. The main rule is that you add ere for comparative
and est for the superlative degree.
For example,
pen,
pretty,
penere,
prettier,
penest,
prettiest,
dyr,
expensive,
dyrere,
more expensive,
dyrest,
most expensive. Now it's your turn to practice. Let's take the adjective tall. Høy.
høy,
What is the comparative degree taller? It is høyere.
høyere,
What about the superlative degree tallest?
It is høyest.
høyest,
Other rules. Adjectives ending with el, en, and er lose that e when you make a comparison.
enkel, enklere, enklest, vakker, vakrere, vakrest.
Adjectives that end with ig and som get only st in the superlative form.
Billig, billigere, billigst. Morsom, morsommere, morsomst.
Note that the adjectives with m get another m in comparative. Some adjectives use the words mer and mest instead of endings. These are mostly adjectives ending with sk. Some adjectives of foreign origin, for example, English or other European languages, many long adjectives, and adjectives ending with ete.
Interessant, mer interessant, mest interessant. Praktisk, mer praktisk, mest praktisk. Komplisert, mer komplisert, mest komplisert.
Some adjectives don't follow any rules at all. Here are the most common ones. Little, small,
Liten, mindre, minst.
big,
Stor, større, størst.
good,
God, bedre, best.
bad,
Vond, ille, verre, verst.
young,
Ung, yngre, yngst.
old,
Gammel, eldre, eldst.
long.
Lang, lengre, lengst.
How to compare things in Norwegian. You will need the help of the word an, than.
Mitt hus er større enn ditt.
My house is bigger than yours.
Anna yngre enn Melissa.
Anna is younger than Melissa.